Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, anything that they want for Uncle Derrick. Come on, guys. Anything that they want for Uncle Derrick. Anything in the morning. Nobody there prank nobody like Jayden and Fabi and all of them. They on TikTok I prank the people them with Ashley and the world there. You can't send something for Uncle Derrick, please and thanks. You can't help Uncle Derrick. So the cash shop there, you know, help out Derrick Morgan. Help him out. Nobody they prank with the people and the people and we come them with them pranking with Ashley and the whole of them they come on social media with them pranking and this and that and the girl from Netherlands country, she want Ashley and she don't want it. I be about to pass up on TikTok. So no come with the bagger story. I'm telling you about the bagger story. They no come on some sense, some give Uncle Derrick please and thanks. Yeah. I be a mix up. Me a mix up they fi kill pan the TikTok yeah. Ashley and Jayden and Fabi and Jayden and Wild Pops take on my blood clot. I be things are going on. I be a thing me going to send you 200. So you're not serious. You're not serious. If you're serious, you could have said, catch up. We can't go the bank, go buy something to care back at Jamaica. You're not serious. When the pan the line is tongue. Anybody here know I got prank. No, nobody come put the prank today on Sunday. Today is Sunday. I'm not doing the pranking. Today is Sunday. If anybody have the cash up, if the cash up, they value $10 and thing you can get Uncle Derrick and the cash up. We go on the mall now. Yes. We're not coming up prank this. We're not coming up not joking for me not inner eat. Me not inner eat. Oh. Me not inner eat. Me about bling on the current the boy. She mix up. Me not inner eat.
吴老师听起来是信心十足。
没人那一。
那我想问问，目前我们也看到这个吴老师听起来是信心十足。
没人那一。
那我想问问，目前我们也看到这个航天员要回中国。
没人那。
I want to miss. I haven't been online. I haven't been online in like a week. Alright, what about you?
Me alright. Me there look some. So look, give her right now.
Tap up a screen, guys. You know anything counts. Uncle's gonna talk.
Anybody that come can pin it catch up there.
John Coloshan.
I like a $5, like a $10. I'm gonna buy something in the mall before me go tomorrow.
What's up with cash up, John Coloshan?
I be a lie, this I go on TikTok. Be a lie and prank on TikTok. People lie and wicked, you see.
They wicked bad.
What Jayden I be a prank them a pranking and Rosalind and all them a prank, you know.
Yeah, nothing said Jayden and Fabi there.
No prank. Them a prank the people them to stop it.
Yep.
And Wild Pops don't same she take up Ashley, yeah. Why am I wicked? No blood clot.
I wonder if they all have a group chat and they plan these things.
I'm gonna lick up my blood clot teeth. When I'm gonna lick up my blood clot, you can't wicked. The whole of now wicked and it's blood clot up here, them are wicked. Jayden and Pops and Ashley and Rosalind. I prank the people and blood clot. Prank the people.
All of them have a group chat and them planning.
And about them a blood clot money. Wicked, I carry them one buy. I carry them one blood clot buy, yeah.
Out of the people
them. I laugh for royal blood clot. When you not laugh for me a pussy clot, yes.
Guys,
you want to see blood clot, Rosalie, if you duck. The Mrs. Ducky and Mrs. Pig up passport office. Yes, you don't look up. You look about her blood clot.
Wait. So you encourage her to go and look about her passport? You know, see that?
Tell about her passport, me love because she want trouble. I wrote I go fix her body. You know, so she feel that though.
Are you make the girl go and get passport? So me have to go blame you, because if I never you passport, she would reach her passport office.
A long time Rodalie, a long time Rodalie has run on the blood clot, babes. So she come out long time all about her passport, but you shouldn't wait so long.
They're supposed to stay up.
Yeah, my passport book, man. I took two times change passport book, I never got away.
Right, that's the guys. Uncle has been independent. You can't talk to uncle.
Two blood clot passport me change, I never got away. I mean, the one I done, I never take out the one I not go away.
Some of them not even have bank account. I see you have your bank account and them something. They them thing that the girl them for talk about. Some of them don't have that. Exactly. I don't know. See, some of my people have been like chat know what go on.
Come on, guy. I beg this man. I beg the talk.
Yes, Lee. Guys, top of a screen. Anything counts. Anything at all.
I hope I chatting with them this morning.
No bugger chatting. And I'm not going to hear anything else about what's going on the app. From the one and only Derrick Morgan. If y'all don't tap the screen and send gifts. I link you and you don't answer me. On here, I have to check. I have to check. Lee, I'm a businesswoman. I have so much things going on, so many messages. I could hardly read my inbox. It's so many messages. Not only on here, on all my social media stuff. So I have to go and check.
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. Anything for Uncle Derrick? No, anything? Me I show up the live. I tell them I need help because need help.
Hey, Danny. I miss you. Guys, send in the gifts and stuff. Anything helps. Literally. 66 people on here. Everybody can send a rose or something, you know? One donut. One money gone. Danny, I've been so busy, bro. Like, I haven't been online in days. Let me thought everything. Uncle there, I try to film me, you know. Guys, Uncle I try go up on the mall today for go buy some stuff. So if you guys can tap up the screen and send him the gift them. One rose and one donut. One wheel. Anything help. I don't know I'm gonna talk the things them with no care. Hi Casey. What's up? Look like Uncle get a call. Good afternoon. That's good, that's good. Yes, you Brad. Yes. What are something for somebody will come out after all the infidelity that he had going on and him come out and I come speak per relationship and I get advice like he's Mr. Goody Goody, name the call and pick me now. That is sad, that is disgusting. Like, ew. Danny, that's Crissy, Crissy husband. Yeah, like him name a call and pick me now. Them something that's sad, it's nasty. To big YouTuber, big social media influencer, not to me, but you know, to some people, because you know, some people support them and you know, follow them up. That's nasty. The man arrested for child molestation. Jesus. Yeah, them say must it 12 to 15 or 16-year-old. Him too nasty. But you know the girls that he cheated on his wife with, like last year and the year before, those girls, they are young, like a young girl, them being underage, but them young. Him at 35, guys, come on. And then there's the other girl that she was homeless. Him look for people who can manipulate and use. The youngins, them, I want nasty man. Him forget it. 15 years too little bit too. Him supposed to get it because that now come on. He's a grown man with sense. A beer daughters him have enough so God work. Him have a beer daughter. Imagine how would he feel if somebody was to do that to one of his kid? Like, come on, he needs to put himself in a certain people shoes and think about shit. Like, why would he do that? Him absent to come here, bash people and talk about relationship and like act like Mr. Goody Goody and he doing those things. Like, that's very much embarrassing. Nasty. I feel bad for his wife. I hope she don't make no excuses for him this time, because they're not gonna just get up and arrest them. Now, get up and just arrest him for them fuckery, knowing that because they have proof against him. You feel me? Them not just get up and arrest a person for that because somebody say he great me or them have proof. Exactly. I know them for come out, come talk. Whoever he's abused or did anything to, they should talk up. And more years that feel like a backside into disgusting. Me not feel like the first offense. I'm sorry. Him like the little kids. If y'all go on YouTube, or if one of them follow up the whole shit. Did to the girls, and I would never forget the other girl. I don't know her name. After a while, she was starting the chase, but her, for one, she was like homeless and him promised the girl things. So when the people are in a certain situation, they're going to obviously fall for certain stuff, and that's what he did. Yes, that's exactly Denzel. Exactly. I feel bad for her.
Can't talk anything. Tomorrow me I go down and we all about one place tomorrow. I look help me, I look beg right now.
Yeah. Yeah, go where you say? Yeah, go Panama today?
Yeah, the Panama I want to go to me never dollar.
Me I link you on WhatsApp. Around what time you go? What time over there right now?
11:31.
Oh, same time as me. Around what time I go Panama? Me I link you. And try if I say I can drop something in one of them Zelle over there. Me know you we get it from Miss Denise, but more I get it to go do it at least.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me get it from Miss Denise. Give me get it. 2:00.
Yeah, man. Alright, got you.
Thanks.
Yes, Rika.
I feel bad for Crissy.
Me not feel bad enough because she keep forgiving him. I hope she don't make no excuse this time. Don't feel bad, girl. She don't feel bad for herself.
I could take off of the topic there, yeah?
Yeah, off of the topic, guy. We'll go on something else now. Uncle, I try to God anybody can help.
Derrick, man, for buy tool item care down back at Jamaica back. And talk about my place. We're all about a place to Tuesday.
Yeah, I did the Maka live this morning and she said she's, basically I look forget the apartment for you or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I hope that works.
Right now.
Right there, so. One girly brown, big up yourself, mama. Guys, if it's even $5 in the cash app, anything at all counts. You feel me? If I even $1, if all of us on here is 63, 58 now I'm seeing. If it's 58 of us and all of us send $1 to the Zelle, I'm sure he'll appreciate that. It's better than nothing, you see me? Everything counts.
Okay, just wait.
Morning, girlie.
Morning. What's on Macca Live?
Yeah, I did over there too, man. See over there.
We got some good stuff in store, Funko. We just need some top-ups. Anything.
Anything at all. Exactly. Hey, Rika. One man Mr. Then can fight, and I fight them a fight. So God bless him, Swear.
And not even say uncle get anything to be jealous of. And they
Exactly,
hate
my
him.
point. My point. Them jealous of him
But
struggles. I could have what else?
Casey, you share life to me.
Brother
Go like my
Burn.
video.
Afternoon,
Go like my
everybody.
video, me just post. I was posting a video. Go like my video for my profile.
May I go find
Okay.
the no go like it.
Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen. Tap the screen, guy. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen.
Just so they know uncle got some good people in his corner now. And no matter what y'all try, the haters them, it's not gonna work. We
Right there,
love all the
son.
supporters. So y'all keep supporting
Yeah, I
uncle.
like what Maka is doing for him as well. And I pray to God he get this apartment when they go down this weekend, you know, like right there, so. Oh, God bless, no man curse. Go, I'm going inside. Go inside. Go in. You see a little foot them? Come on. I want to go. Pay too much. Go and go read.
Tap up the screen, guys. Could you
Tap up the
send some
screen,
gifts
guy.
to
Tap up the
Uncle?
screen.
When you guys join the live, click the heart me beside Derrick trending to be a part of his team.
Yeah, it's part of the
All
team.
gifts are welcome.
Yes.
And thanks everyone for joining his live. And hope your Sunday is going great.
The one even apartment, a nice apartment to live. One,
Yeah, man, even a one bedroom with the
yeah,
kitchen
you
just like how
can't
you get the
put
guest house.
Yeah, Uncle looking a nice one-bedroom
you can't put
apartment.
one egg and back. You have to put a wing all over the place.
Somewhere that he can feel safe. A nice apartment where he can feel safe.
Yeah.
Tap the screen, share the live, send gifts, all.
I'm a chat about me. Bumbo clock them.
Thank you, Queen team, for joining Uncle's team. Tap the screen. Let's get Uncle to 10K likes.
Hello?
Hello?
What a guan, uncle?
There?
Me happy for you, man. Me try call you, but me not get you.
You don't call me?
Yeah, I try to call you, but me not get you. Me say me would call you back. So what guan, you good?
Yeah, me good, man.
Good like a goal. I can see that in your face.
Yeah.
The trip really do Uncle good. He look very
Oh
refined.
my
He look
God, me I tell you,
relaxed.
him relax, man.
Yeah. He just look in a nice place where he could stay. A nice place where he could lay his head.
Yes.
Because when he stay at the guest room, it's too expensive. So if he could get a one-bedroom, no joke. If anyone knows of a one-bedroom whether in Kingston,
In a good area, yeah, because we
right,
need
you
it in a
could
good area.
inbox Uncle.
Yeah.
Or you could inbox Maka Diamond. And in the meantime, top up the screen and get him
So,
to one.
uncle, what price range you look? Because people need to know that too, you know.
40, 50.
40, 50, okay.
You know anybody in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, all what people at Jamaica would have to find out, call and find out. You know, some people are joker, you don't want to joke at them, you know.
I be a joker, my
A
friend. Be a
serious
joker.
thing
Me
you
can't bother.
depend.
Me can't
Yeah.
bother with it. That's why me sometimes me not bother talk, you know. So me
Yeah.
not talk. And she can have 40, 50. Yeah.
Yes.
Can't bother with the people. I mean, I want nobody tell me not get out here because I'm not getting a good thing.
No,
you don't
Uncle
want
don't
to
want to
get
go
up.
in the ghetto. He wants to be somewhere comfortable, somewhere where he'll feel safe.
Yes.
Did
Any
that son?
gifts?
Today, our son
Talk
have be a
Uncle.
house we are talking about today, house we are talking about, and the body willing to help me with apartment right now. It will look about, it will look about.
Mm-hmm.
Top up the screen, guys, top up the screen, and have the cash up and the PayPal up there with Uncle Derrick.
Let's see, who am I gonna call?
A full time now, man, a full time now.
Alright, uncle, what me I go do? Me I go call you. Me I go make 2 call and see and find out if me hear of anything. But if me not hear of anything, me not call cause me something you look somewhere you look for stay. So me I go
Well,
call
you want
and
to go,
find
man,
out.
I'll
Me I
give
make
a
2
black, you
phone
know.
call.
Come for this, man. Come on for this. Get away,
Yeah,
fly.
me I make 2 phone
Get
call.
away.
Bad man is always active, you know,
Mom, for
uncle. Them always gonna
Uncle
follow you
Derek.
up, you know.
Thank you
Them,
for the gift for
them always
Uncle.
gonna follow you up with them bad mind self. But like
Yeah,
me say, me gonna
man,
make
get
2 phone
away.
call, me come off your live, and if me hear of anything, me call or me call Maka, cause me have Maka number too.
Yeah, man, call her.
Yeah. So if
No
anything,
negative comments. No negative comments. Uncle will block and mute.
Yeah, me
mm-hmm.
a block them can't come to cover them full
It's
list.
Sunday. Serious business now, guys. Serious business.
I wouldn't say them have a house for you. You're always blocking me, and I have a house. Not a person you're serious.
Look here now. I mix up. I want
Oh, okay.
but Tival, we should not go. I want a fake page.
Okay. All right then, uncle. Me have a number.
Yeah.
Me call if me hear of anything. Bye, guys.
Yeah. Anybody know any nice real estate? Any real estate? Them people there. Everything they get up, then talk about homeless and homeless. Every minute I dread them with him homeless. Every minute, you know. I tired of him too, you know. Every minute they get up with the homeless too, you know.
Guys, you must be respectful. Be very respectful.
Yeah. Every minute all him too, you know. With him prankness, you know, cause him a devil too, you know. Him a Satan of hell, you know. My Satan. The one with them, the one Jayden, my Satan. Him a Rosa, they come to prank people on TikTok. We make money and buy car. Them are wicked. Wicked Jayden, no type of wicked Jayden, no wicked like. And talk about the homeless gonna foreign. When you go foreign if you want to go foreign. And about them business. Every day. Every minute. Tap the scream guy, tap the scream guy, tap the scream and show the live. We need a mix up over here, sir. You know you're the China boy that angle blinger today. In Crissy.
No, Uncle, because show me that work. Me
Oh.
me not really study the life more so. And everybody live me go on in the Uncle.
Oh.
Guys, tap up the screen. Let's get Uncle to 10K likes.
I want Korean boy, I want Korean. Watch it. You say, yeah, you know everybody's busy on TikTok. Tap the screen, tap up the screen, send some gift and praise and thanks.
就差不多就要进入到这个制作了这个中间点了。目前它是一个什么样的姿态？传媒方面又大头超前，大头超前点，然后那个流满分离之后，会这个进入回转。也就是它是防着大现在这个现在状态。它现在应该是推进才会在一起。
Share the live. Every day when I prank my life, come on for this, the man. Maybe she go back PH, you know.
Thank you, Emma, for sending that gift for Uncle. Tap the screen.
Every day, one name Yap Yap. Come with it free across a next page. First stage of the teams, Chris. Thank you for sending the gift, darling. Thank you.
Taps and roses, taps and roses.
Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap and share. Tap and share.
Thank you,
Tap
Emma
and share.
Vernon, for the
And
finger
join
arts
up
for
with our
Uncle.
team.
Thank you for the gift.
Tap and
Thank you, Emma.
yes. Tap and share my live. Tap up the screen.
Can you, Emma, can you tap the heart beside Derrick trending so you can see him?
Okay.
It's one coin.